So what can you do when you receive a message from Outlook saying your message did not reach some or all of the intended recipients? One of the reasons for this is when you attach a file to an email and send to somebody else, they might have a policy that doesn't allow emails with attachment to be received. So how can you access this email again? It's not in your sent, it's not in your inbox. So to get access to the email, what you can do is double click on System Administrator, and then you would open it as one whole email. One way to fix the issue is to click on Send Again. In this way, you can access the same email again, all the details that you have put in. So you can see I got an attachment here. So if you delete the attachment and upload it to a cloud service like Google Drive or OneDrive and attach it here as a link and resend it, it should work. Or before even doing that, just send one more time like this and you should be able to see whether it will work. But again, this is usually caused by the company's policy of receiving emails from third party. So they don't usually like to receive attachments because attachment can have viruses attached to them. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.